Welcome to Elevate Your Style, Sophisticated Secrets. Let's be honest, who doesn't appreciate the allure of an exquisite fragrance? However, we are all aware that luxury perfumes can be quite costly. And who wants to invest a significant amount in a fragrance only to find it does not suit them? Certainly not me. Today, we will explore the realm of complimentary perfume samples. Yes, you heard correctly. Complimentary. We are referring to those luxurious, high-end scents featured in magazines, the ones you have been eager to experience. I will reveal all the strategies to acquire these samples like an expert, enabling you to discover your next signature scent without financial strain. Prepare to take notes as we are about to unveil a new world of fragrance. Let's commence with one of the most effective methods to acquire complimentary perfume samples: subscribing to brand newsletters. This strategy is truly transformative. You might be curious, why newsletters? Allow me to elucidate. We all appreciate receiving mail, correct? Now, envision opening your inbox to discover an email offering you a complimentary sample of the latest Tom Ford or Chanel fragrance. It's akin to receiving a small gift. This is the allure of subscribing to brand newsletters. Most luxury perfume brands are keen to introduce their exquisite scents to fragrance enthusiasts like yourself. They understand that a single experience can convert you into a devoted admirer. They recognize that once you experience the luxury and charm of their perfumes, you will be captivated. Consequently, they offer exclusive access to free samples, special promotions, and even invitations to prestigious events, all through their newsletters. Imagine receiving an invitation to an exclusive launch event where you can network with other fragrance aficionados and industry experts. Consider it your VIP pass to the world of luxury fragrances. To subscribe, simply visit the website of your preferred perfume brands and locate the section to join their mailing list. It is a straightforward process that can unlock a realm of olfactory delights. Typically, this option is found at the bottom of the page or may appear as a welcome pop-up. Do not disregard these pop-ups. They are your gateway to exclusive offers and samples. Here is a professional tip. Create a separate email address specifically for these newsletters. This approach allows you to keep all your fragrance-related emails organized in one place. This way, your primary inbox remains uncluttered, and you can peruse your fragrance offers at your convenience. You might even designate a specific time each week to review these emails and discover new samples or promotions. Your sense of smell and your budget will be grateful. Additionally, it is an enjoyable method to explore new scents without committing to a full bottle. You have the opportunity to try before you buy, ensuring you find the perfect fragrance that complements your style and personality. So proceed to subscribe to those newsletters and embark on your scent journey. Let us proceed to another excellent source of complimentary perfume samples: department stores. These establishments are veritable havens for fragrance aficionados, offering an extensive selection of scents awaiting discovery. Consider these stores as your personal fragrance exploration grounds. Envision traversing aisles adorned with the most exquisite bottles, each containing a unique scent that narrates its own story. The dazzling perfume counters, gleaming with beautiful bottles and exuding an intoxicating aroma as you step off the escalator, create an olfactory paradise where every corner holds a new surprise. These counters are not merely points of purchase, they are destinations for exploration and discovery. You may find the sales personnel intimidating, but they are there to assist you. They serve as guides on this fragrant journey, ready to help you find the perfect scent. Most of them are genuinely kind, especially if you approach them with a sincere interest in fragrances. They appreciate when someone shares their passion for scents and are more than willing to share their expertise. They are passionate about perfume and enjoy sharing their knowledge with fellow scent enthusiasts. They can inform you about the notes, the inspiration behind the fragrance, and the best ways to wear it. Additionally, they have access to a collection of samples. These samples are invaluable, allowing you to try different scents without committing to a full bottle. Do not hesitate to approach the counter. Present a friendly demeanor and express your interest in trying a particular fragrance. Confidence and a pleasant attitude are essential. They may have pre-made samples available or can create a sample for you on the spot using small vials. These vials are convenient for carrying in your purse or pocket. allowing you to enjoy the scent throughout the day. Here is an insider tip. Department stores frequently host special events and promotions where they distribute additional free samples. These events are excellent opportunities to expand your fragrance collection without any cost. Be vigilant for these events, particularly around holidays such as Valentine's Day or Mother's Day, as you may acquire extra samples. These events are not only enjoyable, but also a great way to discover new scents and meet other fragrance enthusiasts. So, the next time you visit a department store, take a moment to explore the perfume section. You never know what delightful surprises await you. Online sampling platforms, your passport to scent adventures. For those who prefer the convenience of shopping from home, online sampling platforms offer an unparalleled experience. Imagine relaxing in your most comfortable attire, enjoying a warm cup of coffee, and exploring a vast array of fragrances without leaving your home. This is the epitome of modern convenience for the discerning scent enthusiast. These platforms function like a subscription service for your olfactory senses. Similar to how one might binge-watch a favorite series, you can now indulge in a variety of exquisite scents. Each month, a new selection of fragrances awaits, providing an endless sensory adventure. Subscribers receive a curated assortment of exceptional fragrances delivered directly to their doorstep each month. The anticipation and joy of unboxing these samples add a delightful element to one's routine. It is akin to gifting oneself a luxurious treat, devoid of any guilt. Indulging in a collection of fine perfumes is a form of self-care, with each sample offering a unique olfactory experience and narrative. Numerous online sampling platforms are available, with Scentbird and Olfactive being particularly noteworthy. These platforms have transformed the way we discover and appreciate perfumes, offering a seamless experience from browsing extensive collections to receiving monthly samples. They collaborate with both renowned designer brands and niche, lesser-known perfume houses, ensuring a diverse and exciting selection. Whether one prefers classic fragrances or is eager to explore avant-garde creations, there is something to suit every preference. The process is straightforward. Sign up for a monthly subscription, and each month select a fragrance sample that piques your interest. The user-friendly interface allows for a personalized scent journey tailored to individual preferences. The samples typically come in elegant, travel-sized atomizers, making them convenient to carry and use throughout the day. These atomizers are both practical and stylish, serving as a perfect accessory for any occasion. These platforms provide an excellent opportunity to explore a wide range of scents without committing to a full-sized bottle. It is a cost-effective way to indulge in luxury fragrances and discover a signature scent without significant financial investment. It is akin to having a personal perfume wardrobe at your disposal. One can change their scent based on mood, season, or occasion, offering versatility and empowerment. Additionally, it provides an opportunity to step outside one's comfort zone and discover hidden gems. Experimenting with different scents can be an exciting journey of self-discovery, revealing new facets of one's personality. Many of these platforms offer discounts or complimentary months for referring friends. This creates a mutually beneficial situation, allowing one to share their passion for perfumes while enjoying additional perks. Share the joy of fragrance discovery with friends, creating a shared experience of exploring new scents, exchanging opinions, and even swapping samples. It is a delightful way to bond and create lasting memories. Thus concludes our guide. These are my premier recommendations for acquiring complimentary samples of high-end perfumes. Now, you can indulge in your passion for fragrances without incurring significant expenses. Remember, discovering your signature scent is a journey, and it should be enjoyable. So proceed with confidence, explore various scents, and do not hesitate to experiment. Kindly give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and subscribe to ensure you do not miss any future fragrance insights. Additionally, please share your own experiences with perfume samples in the comments below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Until next time, stay elegant.